Hello everyone. Welcome to Kaboodle. Let's see how to sign up and log in as a parent on the Kaboodle app. Go to the home page and click on Create Account. Enter the school ID of your child. Now select the class and section. Now click on Continue. Enter your child's details. Your number and choose a password as directed. Now click on Submit. Let's log in now. Enter your registered number, your password, and click on Login. Congratulations! You have successfully reached your dashboard. Wasn't that easy? Thanks for watching.